This video is an introduction to QQ Catalyst that's designed for you, the user. First of all, let's take a quick tour of QQ Catalyst so you can become familiar with the terms that we use. At the top of each page is the global navigation bar. Just below that is the toolbar. At the bottom of each page is the dock. Notice that on the far right of the global navigation bar is your name. When you hover over your name, a drop-down menu appears. From certain areas of the program, you can stack, pause your work, do something else, and return later. The dashboard is QQ Catalyst's home base. It's actually a container for small individual apps known as widgets. There are widgets that give you access to key data about your agency at a glance, graphical widgets to help you visualize data, widgets to help you use QQ Catalyst, utility widgets, and more. We'll be adding to the library of widgets from time to time. In some ways, data-driven widgets are like miniature reports and provide a snapshot of what's going on in your agency. More than just reports, however, they actually let you launch an action on the data. The Guided Workflows widget allows you to turn on or off guided workflows for adding new contacts and policies. Guided workflows are available throughout QQ Catalyst. In My Preferences, you can set your QQ Catalyst user interface to either English or Espanol. When you change the setting to Espanol, notice what happens. QQ Catalyst speaks Espanol. Tabs, menus, navigation buttons all change to Spanish. You can change it back to English easily. To add a signature, first click on Add Signature. Now, locate the signature file you want to upload to QQ Catalyst. Any image file is acceptable, such as JPEG, GIF, PNG, and bitmap files. Remove a signature file by clicking on the Edit button and then select Remove. What is a contact? A contact is a customer, prospect, carrier, lien holder, certificate holder, MGA, or an employee. Contacts are people and institutions with whom you do business, and they are at the center of QQ Catalyst. Adding a new contact is easy. From anywhere within the program, you can click on New Contact from the dock. To find an existing contact, click on Contacts in the global navigation or click on Search in the dock and enter the contact name, phone number, or customer number to do a quick search. Notice that as you type, QQ Catalyst suggests possibilities based on what you have entered. You can select an entry as it pops up without having to type the whole name or number. When you change the contact type, QQ Catalyst provides you with different search filters. Select Go and search results appear. If you are searching for a customer and their policy, click on the green arrow on the right side of the screen and all of that customer's policies appear. You can even start to add a new policy. Click on the contact's name and you are taken right to the contact overview screen. From there, you can access all of the customer information, their notes and activities, contact information, policies, files, and accord forms. When you click on the Customer Info tab, notice the navigation panel to the right. This type of navigation panel is found in a number of places within QQ Catalyst. Click on the section that you would like to see, and the screen scrolls down to that place. Click on the up arrow, and the screen scrolls to the top. When you write a new note in the Activity section and click the checkbox to add to important notes, an incremented number appears on the upper right of that customer's Active Customer Overview screen. The number is the amount of important notes on that contact's record. Click on the icon to see the important notes. Go into the Policies tab and you will see all the policies for this customer loading. When you select the policy, you will see all the policy information, including if there are details about the specific policy. You may enter more details here as well. You can track endorsements to this policy. Under the Files tab, you will see any associated emails, files, letters, and documents that have been uploaded for this policy. You can also see and change the agency commissions and producer commissions. From the policy action icon on the toolbar, you can renew, rewrite, set the intent to cancel date, and cancel a policy. Hover over the Change Status icon on the toolbar and you will see how you can change the status of a policy. All policies start as pending. You can activate the policy from here, make it inactive, and void a policy. You can also define the policy as expired. The Endorsements tab shows the history of endorsements to this policy. The Endorse icon in the toolbar gives you the ability to create a new endorsement. When you want to send a letter, print an email, and use the word processor, click on the Print Email icon in the toolbar. Click on New Form, and you can add a new Accord form for this policy. Once you've finished on a policy screen, you can get right back to your contact screen by clicking on the active blue link that has the name of the contact. QQ Catalyst provides a reports function to maximize your knowledge of what's going on in your agency. Click on Reports in the global navigation and select the report you would like to run. Click on the Add New Report icon when you want to create a new report. Carrier downloads are available through Ivans and enhance the productivity of your operation. Click on the Downloads button on the global navigation bar. No software needs to be installed, and you can process downloads anywhere you have a broadband internet connection. There are more videos about some of the subjects discussed in this video. Go to the menu on the upper right of the global navigation bar and select Videos to learn more. Here's what you have just seen in this user video: an overview of the global navigation bar, toolbar, and the dock, QQ Catalyst dashboard and widgets, an overview of the contact screen and the policy tab, a description of where to start when using reports and carrier downloads.